Hello guys, welcome again to this channel. Today we are going to study how we can catch the next alt season using just the Bitcoin dominance. If we understand the Bitcoin dominance, for us is going to be more easy or easier to understand when is the good moment to start buying altcoins and holding. Of course, this is not exact. This is based on my experience. So, well, let's start. As you can see here, this is this website. I like to use this website is bitcoindominance.com, and as you can see here, you can see all the Bitcoin dominance and all the history of Bitcoin since. Let me show you the last all available data since 2013. So as you can see here, in 2017 we have a massive drop from 90% to almost 50%, and from here we have this bounce, and after that outer rejection and this crash. So why is very important Bitcoin dominance? Well, Bitcoin dominance is telling you how many holders are in the world or trading Bitcoin or holding Bitcoin. When the Bitcoin dominance drops, is because they are actually selling Bitcoin, and they have two options: or they are going to just cash out and stay in fiat, or they will invest in altcoins. So based on technical analysis, this chart actually is very easy to read. If you see all the historical information of Bitcoin dominance, we can see the 60 level around 83 level around here is the biggest resistance of this of Bitcoin dominance. Every time when Bitcoin was testing 83 or 80 area, between 70, 80 or 83 area, every time was just in sideways and got rejected. So the idea I'm trying to share with you in this video is, if you want to buy altcoins, is when you want to see Bitcoin dominance dropping. So in general, I want to when Bitcoin is bouncing or is pumping in Bitcoin dominance, that means in general altcoins will just drop. But you must understand something. They will drop in BTC value, and also in USDT. In USDT, they will follow Bitcoin if they are strong enough. So I want to show you some examples. We have here the chart, all the chart of Bitcoin, and in February 2017, here in this chart of TradingView, because we can see, of course, Bitcoin dominance in TradingView since 2014, when Bitcoin was around 99%, around 90%, around there. Look at what happened in Bitcoin dominance. In February 27, 2017, Bitcoin dominance crashed, this massive sell-off, and what happened with the price of Bitcoin. Please understand this, the Bitcoin dominance doesn't have a correlation with the price, in my experience. Maybe I can be wrong. But as you can see here, we saw the massive uptrend, the bull run in 2017. So if we check, for example, Cardano is one of the altcoins I like to check for this example, because it's actually quite old, this altcoin. That's why I like to see the chart. As you can see here, on Bittrex, in 2008, okay, this chart is from 2018. Okay, let's start with this. But the point is, if you were here in 2017 in this rally, let me show you here, Bitcoin. Here in 2017, in that time, Ethereum was at $10, $20, and after that, the maximum we saw is 1,500 at the top, around $20,000. In 2017, we saw this massive bull run in altcoins, and the reason is because the Bitcoin dominance actually crashed for more than 1 year, something like that. And it was a very nice alt season. So I remember Ethereum was around $10-20, something like that, and after that the top was around 1,500. So after that, in January 18, look at what happened. Finally, in January 18, the Bitcoin dominance found the bottom and start raising up. And here in this period, we have the bear market for alts, and Bitcoin, of course. As you can see here, we have this bear market, and what happened with this? All the altcoins, they just crash. I remember from 1,500, Ethereum went all the way down to $80 or $100. Litecoin at $20 or even a little bit less. After that, as you can see here, all this uptrend here, Bitcoin dominance went to 70 around this level, and we know this area is the area of resistance, historically speaking, for Bitcoin dominance. And after that, we saw a small correction from 70 to 50 or 60. So in this area, I will say we have some altcoins that could recover the value and some rallies, but not a big thing. But the next thing here is in December 2020. Is in this place. Sorry, is in this area. We have here in September 2020. Let me check the date. December, yeah, around here. September here. We found the top, and after that, Bitcoin dominance started crashing, and we had the next parabolic move of Bitcoin here in this case. But the real alt season started when Bitcoin broke here the previous high around $20,000. I remember many altcoins, they were pumping, but not so hard. And after that, we saw this parabolic move in this area. Let me show you Cardano. Cardano actually is a very good example of this. Remember, in September 20, Cardano was here. In September 2020, Cardano was in consolidation here, and after we saw the massive sell-off or crash of the Bitcoin dominance, we saw finally the parabolic move of Cardano. And now we are testing again the lows of Bitcoin dominance here. What does that mean for altcoins? Well, in the long run, in the long term, because this is weekly chart, because we have here this period of consolidation, historically speaking, is the beginning of the bear market for many altcoins. Historically speaking, I can say something like this. Why? Because every time, of course, I'm not saying it's going to happen today or tomorrow. I'm expecting this is going to happen maybe in the next, actually this year. I'm expecting a bounce here, testing maybe finding Bitcoin dominance will find some resistance here, and after that drop, and from here we are gonna see something like this. And why I'm telling you this is because if you check the Bitcoin dominance, the website.com, you will see, if you see all the data, the Bitcoin dominance actually is in uptrend. Well, it's not an uptrend, but as you can see here, is after the crash is recovering, and after that is very obvious. Maybe in the long term we will see outer test to maybe this area. So this is the easiest way how you can start investing in altcoins. Or if you are trading altcoins, you must always watch Bitcoin dominance. How we can identify we have the market cycles or the alt seasons? First of all, the first rule is we need to have the Bitcoin dominance here in this area. Let me remove this, and I'm gonna show you here. If you see Bitcoin dominance in this area, there is a very high probability in some point we will have other alt season. If we see Bitcoin in this area, there is a very high probability in the long term we will see a bear market for altcoins. Look at this, bounce, another big bounce. So bounce, rejection, and after that big bounce to this area again. So based on this information, now for us it's very easy to think when is a good time to start investing in altcoins. Based on this, as you can see, for example, without technical analysis, now we can see Cardano is in the highs, right? People are very bullish, people are very excited, but if we just use a simple technical analysis using Bitcoin dominance, we know Bitcoin dominance is in the lows consolidating here, and Cardano is consolidating in the highs. So what does that mean? Historically speaking, if Bitcoin dominance start going up, there is a very high probability Cardano is gonna start correcting maybe this year. How much? The price, I don't know. But the only thing I can tell you is an example. Please don't be scared. This is a speculation. This is not technical analysis because I cannot see the future. So based on the macro trend, as you can see here, when Bitcoin is in a bear market, all the altcoins and the Bitcoin dominance start rising up. Sorry, Bitcoin dominance is pumping. We'll see correction of 90%. Other from here, other 92%. So don't get me wrong, we will see very nice bounces to the upside. I'm not saying it's gonna crash like this. In this area was almost 1 year or 2 years or bear market. So now, if you think this is not financial advice, of course not, but I'm telling you just the facts, how I read the markets and how I try to calculate what is the best moment to start thinking to become a holder in the long term for altcoins. So based on this, if you are thinking to in a long-term investment, I will say this is not the right price you are looking for Cardano. Maybe if this chart is correct, or this based on the historical data is correct, maybe in the next 6 months or 1 year we will see Cardano maybe testing lower prices, and maybe you will get a better opportunity to start thinking to hold Cardano and many altcoins. But look at other coin, for example BNB. BNB, interesting, right? For example, remember September 2020, when Bitcoin crashed, Bitcoin dominance crashed. What happened after that? Parabolic move of BNB, and now, as I said, the Bitcoin dominance is just consolidating in the lows. So in the moment when you see a clear uptrend in weekly chart for Bitcoin dominance, you will see a real pain for many altcoins. Of course, if Bitcoin is also dropping, because we need to see Bitcoin in a downtrend. And technically speaking, right now, Bitcoin is in a downtrend. Now people are very excited because they can see Bitcoin now is pumping right now. And this move, people are thinking Bitcoin is going to the moon, but as you can see here, we are in a clear range area, 10K area, from $30,000 to $40,000. If you want to see Bitcoin at an uptrend, macro uptrend, is because you want to see Bitcoin above $47,000, $50,000 around this area. Bitcoin should break this area, come here, and we can start thinking to see Bitcoin in doing new highs. But honestly, I don't think it's gonna happen this year. Of course, as I said, we will see very good bounces, but the trend is your friend, and as long Bitcoin is not doing new highs, I'm expecting this year, in the next 6 months to 1 year, lower prices. But as I said, this is not going to happen like right now. Of course not. It's the trend. For example, here Bitcoin spent almost 1 year from $10,000 to $16,000. So I'm expecting something like that. So we will see something like that. For example, in weekly chart, if we see weekly chart, I am expecting this area testing again here and getting rejection, and after that maybe a triangle or something, a pattern, something like that, and after that we will start we can see other downtrend. I can be wrong, of course, yes. How I will invalidate this technical analysis? Well, you can watch my technical analysis of weekly chart, because every weekend I post a new technical analysis for Bitcoin in the macro time frames. So as I said in my previous video, if I want to see Bitcoin in weekly chart breaking this level, and of course I'm expecting maybe higher prices. Don't get me wrong, this correction, as usual, I am not financial advisor, but for the holders out there, it's gonna be a very good buy opportunity for many altcoins and many well, in the crypto space. The last chart I want to show you is the total market cap, excluding altcoins, excluding Bitcoin, sorry. As you can see here, this is looking almost the same like Bitcoin, right? So you see here the monthly chart. The monthly chart is in a clear downtrend. Well, not confirmed. We are expecting, if this month the altcoins close above this level, I am expecting maybe something like this. Yes. But for now, as long as this level is not broken, I am expecting lower prices for this chart. So what does that mean? The altcoins will start dropping. So, but as I said, first of all, we are gonna see bounces in weekly. Actually, I'm expecting we will see other fake out or macro bull trap. People will be excited. They will start calling Bitcoin and many altcoins to the moon. And after that, they will get trapped in the top, and after that, it's gonna get rejected. Of course, I can be wrong, yes, but I saw it in 2017 here, and also I saw it here, and I saw it many times that this kind of things happen. Of course, as you can see, it's looking like Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin chart. So if Bitcoin is in downtrend, all the altcoins are in downtrend. So, well, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you can find this video useful. Please, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to share this video, and thank you very much. See you next time.